Hey, DIYers, welcome back to the channel. If your Moen shower won't turn off and water keeps running no matter how much you turn the handle, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you step by step how to replace the Moen 1222 cartridge and get your shower working like new again. Step 1. Turn off the water supply. Before starting any plumbing repair, turn off the main water supply. In my case, the shutoff valve is in the garage near the water heater. Since there's no individual shutoff of the tub, I had to cut off water to the whole house. Step 2. Identify the problem. The handle on this Moen shower controls both on off and hot/cold. Right now, it's not shutting the water off at all. Watch this. When I have someone turn the main water on, water just keeps pouring from the faucet. That means the cartridge inside is faulty and needs to be replaced. Step 3. Remove the handle. Let's remove the handle. Use a 3/32 Allen wrench to loosen the screw underneath the handle. Turn counterclockwise until the screw comes out, and then slide the handle off. Step 4. Disassemble the trim kit. Next, remove the Phillips head screw in the center of the trim. There should be 2 pieces. Then remove the inner plastic spacer piece. Keep track of its alignment. After that, slide off the chrome sleeve. Step 5. Unscrew the valve plate. Now take out the 2 Phillips screws holding the metal trim plate and gently pull it off the wall. Step 6. Remove the cartridge retaining clip. Locate the metal retaining clip at the top of the valve. Use needle nose pliers to pull it straight out. Be careful not to drop it inside the wall. Step 7. Align the cartridge for removal. Turn the stem of the cartridge so the flat side with the ridge faces up. Moen recommends a special cartridge puller tool linked in the description, but I'm using channel locks. Step 8. Remove the old cartridge. Grip the plastic body of the cartridge and wiggle it back and forth while pulling it out. It may take some effort depending on how old it is. Once removed, check if the stem is broken like mine. Step 9. Get the right replacement, Moen 1222 cartridge. We're using the Moen 1222 replacement cartridge, available on Amazon for around $40 to $45. This is a correct cartridge for most single-handle Moen shower valves. Step 10. Lubricate and install new cartridge. Apply plumber's grease or silicone grease to the rubber O-rings and outer edges of the new cartridge. This helps it slide in smoothly. Insert the cartridge into the valve with the hot/cold text facing up, then push it in evenly using pliers gently. Step 11. Reinstall everything. Once the cartridge is seated, reinstall the retaining clip. Then reattach the trim plate, chrome sleeve, and handle. Step 12. Turn on water and test. Now go back and turn on your main water supply. Test the handle. It should now properly turn water on, off, and adjust temperature. And that's it. You just fixed your Moen shower by replacing the 1222 cartridge. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more home repair tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have questions.